Arika. Welcome to AMIClubwear's YouTube channel. I am doing a shoe haul today. I'm so excited. I got a bunch of new shoes that I tried on and these are so cute. You guys know about AMIClubwear. I've talked about it on my channel many times. There's tons of really cute on-trend items for really cheap. Like, I feel like everything is so inexpensive and I could buy a bunch of stuff for literally, if I have $100, I can buy like 10 things and it's crazy. So I'm gonna show you guys some shoes that I got, some fun ones. I got a lot of different ones, but today I picked out a bunch of cute ones. So I'm gonna show you guys everything that is going on right here. This is like their summer new collection. So I'm so excited. And we're gonna start off with the very end. So the first pair of shoes are these fun, I feel like they're kind of just like these confetti party shoes, and they're burgundy. I love the thick ankle strap. I feel like it makes it really sexy, and I really love this burgundy, like kind of like berry color. It looks really good with like a berry lip if you guys are into that, because I love berry lips and I'm really into burgundy these days. So this one is really sexy, and this is definitely, I feel like it's like a nighttime party shoe. Or if you have like a really cool burgundy suit, oh my gosh, that would be so amazing as well. Or like a cream suit, I feel like it would look really good too. But this is really fun. I love the little sparklies and I love the texture, and I just love the unique look of these shoes. I really love also the buckle, which is a rhinestone buckle, which makes it really flashy and fun. The next pair of shoes I picked out are these holographic fun disco shoes. These are so fun for summer, and I feel like a pool party shoe. I definitely pair this with like, I don't even know, like a white bikini, maybe even like a raver look, or like a silver metallic swimsuit. These shoes will look really good with that swimsuit. It's just like a fun holographic shoe, you know? It's like really fun. The next pair of shoes that I picked out are boots, and I know it's summer, but you know what? I still wear boots during the summer because I feel like it really completes some looks that I have. And these are so fun because they are rhinestone sparkly shoes, but they're rainbow. So I don't know if you guys remember, like last year it was really trendy to wear silver rhinestone shoes, thigh highs. And this year I feel like that rainbow look is back, in that, or that iridescent and like the holographic sort of look. So I like these because they're just like fun. They kind of look like shoes that you could wear to like EDC, or maybe even like Burning Man, because they're just like a thick shoe and it just looks, they look really sturdy, you know? They're not like just like, I don't know, one of those like one-time shoe things. So I love the way these look. I love the way that they feel, and I love that they're just like, they feel like they're sturdy and you can like party all night in them. So love these shoes, and I love ankle booties, especially for the summertime when you wear a mini dress. It really looks good together. The next shoe is kind of similar to like my usual style. It is a nude suede shoe with some rhinestones and gems. These are really cute. They kind of remind me of like that J-Lo style, or like the Giuseppe's. They are so adorable and so sexy, and definitely will go with anything. It's like a neutral color with a little bit of sparkle. I feel like these shoes will definitely go with any outfit. The next pair of shoes I have over here are some olive, fun, sexy satin shoes with a lot of bling. And these shoes are definitely a showstopper. They definitely do remind me of like a designer shoe. I feel like they kind of remind me of like Jimmy Choo's or something like that. And this will look really good with like a black dress with like a really high slit, because they're just so fun. Bling. The next pair of shoes I picked out are these fun ones. I know all these shoes are super fun, but these are literally so fun. A gold shoe with a bunch of pearls on them. It's definitely one of those shoes where people are like, oh, what kind of shoes are those? Because they're just so unique. I like shoes like that because, like I said before, a lot of my shoes are kind of boring and plain. I wanted to kind of change up my outfits and take my outfits to the next level and change my looks to the next level. The next pair of shoes are definitely like a Hollywood sexy photo shoot shoe that every girl needs. Gold shoes are always my go-to. I feel like they just go with everything. Any color dress, any color outfit, gold shoes really just sparkle and like make an outfit shine. And I like these gold ones because they're just solid gold all around, and they also have really pretty rhinestone straps. It's 3 on the bottom and 2 at the top, And these are just like a sexy, fun party shoe. It's definitely a dancing shoe. And I like how they feel. They're comfortable and I feel like I can dance in them all night. The next pair of shoes are a black pair of shoes. They are not a boring pair of black shoes. They are gold chain, but then they're kind of like a booty style almost. So it covers the whole foot with all of these straps. And I like these kind of shoes because I feel like they make the feet look sexy. They're also like very like LA. I feel like in LA everybody wears black, but then everybody has like a black pair of shoes with a little bit of gold or a little bit of bling. So this is like a very LA nighttime leather jacket, black pants pair of shoes. Last but not least, I had to pick up some flats, but these are not ordinary flats. I actually have 3. I wear them all the time because they're comfortable and they're easy to wear and they're chill. These are Gladiator sandals where they go all the way up. I think they're so fun and so sexy, and I love snake print. If you guys did not know that, I really, really love snake print. I wear a lot of snake prints, and I like that they go all the way up. I feel like this is more like festival vibes, just like desert princess vibes. I wish I had these at Coachella. Oh my gosh. And I ended up bringing my last year's AMIClubwear stuff. So I wish I had these, but you know, there's always next year and there's always like more festivals and more things to wear it to. It makes everything just wild and fun. And I just had to pick up a pair of flats because I literally have so many heels, and you know, sometimes a girl has to wear some flats, and I am so happy they are part of my shoe collection. And that's actually it with all of my shoes that I picked out from AMIClubwear.com. All of them will be linked below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. My name is Arika Sato. Definitely check me out and follow me. Thank you guys so much for watching this video again, and I hope to talk to you guys soon. Bye guys. Mwah.